This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming basic prerequisites. Your phone runs Android and you can access settings. Make sure the ringtone file is already on the device. Next, open settings and tap sound and vibration, or just sound on some models, because manufacturers rename menus. Once there, locate phone ringtone. Do this now so you won't hunt later. Make sure to note whether your phone uses separate media and call volumes, because that affects how loud the ringtone will play. Now you'll choose or add the ringtone. Tap phone ringtone to open the list and preview options by tapping each one so you hear how it will sound in real use. If you prefer a custom file, tap Add or the plus icon, navigate to Files or Downloads, and select the audio file, usually MP3 or OGG. Once selected, the system imports it into ringtones. Make sure to adjust the call volume while listening, because tone volume and media volume can differ on some phones. Finish by saving the ringtone choice. Tap Save or OK and check whether the device asks to apply it system-wide or per SIM. Pick the right option for dual SIM phones. Once applied, test with a quick call to confirm. If a contact needs a special tone, open Contacts and assign the ringtone per contact. If you don't hear the new tone, make sure Do Not Disturb is off, the call volume is up, the file is a supported format, and the ringtone's folder permissions allow access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.